This might just be my best footages of the common flameback. So just at this junction where it's facing the river, there was a flurry of activity from the woodpeckers. And little did I know that there was actually two species here, the laced woodpecker as well as the common flameback which you saw earlier. Hi, good morning. I'm right now at Pasir Ris Park, just at the intersection of the boardwalk here, leading into Kingfisher Pond over there. And I've been loitering around here for the past half an hour, trying to see if the woodpeckers are gonna come back. I was on the Canon R6 Mark I, and the camera had a hard time tracking the flight of the birds here. But less can be said of the skill of the person wielding the camera. So this morning I'm rather annoyed with myself because despite having some time to come down, I went down to Pasir Ris Car Park A and the Mangrove Pitta was nowhere to be seen. Good morning.
Gone away, the Pitta.
Okay. And just as I thought that the day wouldn't get any worse, I filmed all my footages earlier in the portrait mode. Regretfully, this one shot in landscape, otherwise the picture would be clearer. But if you squint hard enough, you might be able to appreciate the woodpecker hopping from one tree to the next. But my spirits just took a turn upwards after sighting the woodpeckers. The woodpecker just came this way. This is the laced woodpecker. It's a female. It's coming solo, right down to the boardwalk. So this is how I roll these days. I've got my camera on my chest harness. I just hook it over with my lens foot here, and then this camera goes right on top of this mount here, and it just sits right there. The common flameback is back. Sorry, I mean the laced woodpecker is back. It's got a home going on around there, I guess. You can hear the pounding works. We are fast losing important habitats for our wildlife in Singapore. So I guess this is not such a bad morning after all. But I will not unnecessarily extend this video. And if you are interested to find out what went down at the Pasir Ris Park Car Park A with the Mangrove Pitta, feel free to check out my next video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.